From here, we're going to go to Suzy Reed's presentation on the Blanche School Robotics. It's a Type 2 grant. Suzy, take it away.
Thank you so much. So we are just beginning. It says coming to a school near you because we have never had this before. If you would like to forward the slide, please. So Lincoln County High School Robotics with Miss Marty LeBlanc, who you will see in just a moment, has a wonderful robotics program that she actually extends to the middle schools. But we are a very rural area. We are a Title I school, but we are also rural, and there are 18 miles between our school and the high school. So the majority of our kids can't get there. It's a major issue. A lot of the parents just don't have the capabilities. And I have had a couple students that have actually gone to the high school robotics. I am a 7th and 8th grade science teacher, and there's no time in our curriculum for it, so this will be an after-school program. I thought, it's like, oh, this would be so cool, and I really was slightly afraid to take the leap. And one of my parents, who's been working with Ms. LeBlanc, said, you know, if you'd be willing to sponsor it, I'll come help. And that just gave me the little extra push. We are so small. We are 350 students, pre-K through 8. And so between the fact that these kids are Title I, they live in the middle of the country, robotics isn't even a thought with them until we introduce it. So this week we sent out invitations to all of our 5th through 8th grade students. And if you'd like to go forward, please, for the first Lego League Challenge group. We will actually be doing a practice league first, and then next semester we will go with this year's theme. The Lego League Challenge sets up a theme every year and ask the kids to come up with creative solutions to fit it. You may go forward, please. So the students will be researching a problem. This year it is Cargo Connect. They will be figuring out ways to solve the problems, creating the coding, doing the engineering of the individual parts of it, because not only the robot will be built by the students, but various buildings and just whatever it needs, whatever the robot needs to use to create that solution to that problem. So a lot of our kids are really interested in these things, but have no idea where to go with it. I'm really excited because I'm going to be pulling in a lot of the kids who aren't normally part of a group. And what I've found in the past is when I do these after-school programs, it really opens those kids up. They see some possibilities that they've never seen before. So they will be goal-oriented. They will be helping each other create solutions. They can be tossing ideas back and forth, which we know is the best way to solve, because 2 brains are better than 1, 7 brains are even better. And so they will interact with humans and robots. And some of them, that's a big deal. Please go forward. So this Monday, we will have a meeting with the parents and the students, because it is an after-school program. Once we are able to get the equipment in approximately 4 weeks, hopefully, we're going to have the kids have it child-centered no matter what level, including a better name. I want them to have total ownership of it. And so this semester we'll do a practice mission where they will do all the problem solving together. And then next semester we'll actually go to the theme for the year. Please go forward. And this may not look like much, as you all know, but there are robotic parts to that. And there are a lot of details oriented into it. And so we are actually able to get several robots so we can have several teams working out their issues and doing the coding at once due to the generosity of this grant. Thank you. Please go forward. So STED Train is taking care of the most of it. We have a small amount of funds. Our school has just been rebuilt. We have a brand new school. So the whole community's gone towards that, but I know that our community is really excited about this too. And we really appreciate you, STED Train, if you would go forward. A lot of these kids didn't even know this was a dream they could have. And when we introduced it to them, if you could see the excitement on their faces, I know you would really love to see that. So thank you so much.
And thank you for coming up with the innovative proposal, leveraging the interest of a parent to help get things started. We love seeing that type of interaction with the community. In the same way, we like seeing older students helping younger students, like Lynn was talking about in her project at Holy Spirit. It's great to see that level of interaction. So again, thank you very much. We'll now